Welcome to Emu Bay Holiday Homes and a quick walk through Shalom House. On the patio you have a nice table and a gas barbecue with a pretty awesome view out to the beach. Inside is your dining table, the kitchen, the main bedroom with great views on the garden and to the beach, the lounge area, once again with an awesome view, your kitchen that's got everything you need to cater for yourself, the second bedroom has a bunk bed and a double bed, through to the bathroom that has a shower basin and the toilet is separate. I hope you've enjoyed the view.